Do your emails include important action items for you and your team? With Redbooth's Gmail plugin, you can create new tasks directly from your inbox. To install the plugin, click the link found in the Help menu. You will be directed to a new browser page where you can add the extension. Now you can quickly convert any email into a Redbooth task. To include the entire email, make sure to select Attach Email. You can also assign the task and set a due date. With just a few clicks, the task will be added to Redbooth without having to leave your inbox. Now you can work efficiently without skipping a beat. Check out the Help Center to learn more.